Good morning students. Today we are going to learn division of 4 digit by the 2 digit. So for the division very important point is what? Tables. So I think 1 week before I told you daily you have to learn the one table. Because of table you can solve the division properly and accurate. If still you have not learned the table, so you can't solve the division properly. So today we will see the 4 digit by the 2 digit. Let's see one example. 12 divided by 1468 means 1468. So for this division you have to first know the 12 table. Okay, so what is the 12 table? 12 ones are 12, 12 to the 24, 12 to the, it's going continuous. Okay, so you are knowing it is 2 digit means first we have to take the these two numbers. Yeah, so in 12 table 14 is there. See, 14 ones are 4, sorry, 12 ones are 12, 12 to the how much? 24. So there is no 14, so we have to take the smaller number. Yes, so 12 ones are 12. So 12, 14 minus 12, 2. Again, take down this 6 downside. So what answer came? 26. So again we have to check, is there 26 is there? Otherwise we have to take the smaller number than the 26. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So what is your answer? Answer is the 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Again take down 8. So now in 12 tables 28 is there. No, 12 3s are 36. So again 12 2s are 24 only. And here 8 minus 4, 4 and 0. Here also 0. So when you will solve this example, afterwards you have to, this 4 is known as the remainder. This 4 is known as the remainder. This is our question. This is our question. And what is this? This is called the dividend or divisor. It is dividend. It is dividend, and this 12 is called the dividend. Sorry, this 12 is called the divisor. Okay, for this number we call the dividend, and this number 12 we call for that one divisor. I hope you have understand this example. So for that what is necessary? Only table we have to learn properly. Okay, now let's see the second example. Okay, what is here? 15 divided by 1238. So now tell me, in 15's table 12 is there? There is no 12 because 15 ones are 15. 15 is only big number than the 12. Then what to do? Okay, so 15 there is no 12. So first 15 0. Yeah, otherwise you can take 123 direct also, no problem. Okay, 12, and here we will take 3. Okay, 123. In 15's table 123 is there? No. Then 15's table, see, 15 5s are how much? 15 6s are, 15 7s are, and 15 8s are. 15 8s are 120. Yes, no. 15 8s are 120. If you are not able to do this one, see, 15 multiplied by 8, what answer will come? See here, 8 5s are 40, 20. See, we got the answer plus, but don't use this one. You can use the bigger number. For the bigger number you have to use this one. For small number you have to learn the tables only. Okay, so what answer came? 120. So 3, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0, taking 8 downside. So 15's table 38 is there? No. 15 how many? 15 1 15. 15 2s are 30. 15 2s are 30. 8 minus 0, 8. 3 minus 0, 0, 0, 0. So what is here our remainder? Remainder is our 8. What is our question? Question is our 82. What is our dividend? 1280. What is our divisor? 15 is our divisor. Okay, I think this method also you have understand properly. Okay, now see, when there is the bigger number, means suppose if there is a 34. Now 34th table you have not learned. So what you will do? Now we will prepare the table of 34. So 34th table what? First you write table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 sevens are and 40. Okay, same 3 table. I think now you got it. Okay, both tables I have written. Now unit place number you have to write. What? Unit place. What is here? 4. What is here? 8. What is here? 2. What is here? 6. What is here? 0. What is here? 4. Here 8. Here 2. Here 6. And here 0. And rest of the numbers you have to make the addition. 6. No need of the addition. 9 plus 1, 10. 12 plus 1, 13. 15 plus 2, 17. 18 plus 2, 20. 21 plus 2, 23. 24 plus 3, 27. 27 plus 3, 30. And here 304. See, our 34th table is ready within 1 minute. Okay, now by using this table, you can solve any example of the division. This method you can use for the one means 3-digit number also, 4-digit number also. But this method you have to use. See, once again I will explain one more example of this one. See now. Now see, 43. Easy. 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, and afterwards 34. 24, 3 sevens are 21, 3 sevens are 30. Okay, now let's see next one. What is our next step? Unit place number. 3, 6, 9, 2, 5, 8, 1, 4, 7, 0. 0. Now remaining one addition. If here is one number, no need of addition. Okay, so here what will come? As it is here, when there is 4 digit, then only you have to do that. 16 plus 1, 17. 20 plus 1, 21. 25. 30. 34. 38 and 40. Our table is ready within 1 minute. I hope now you have understand how to do the tables of the bigger number. But for the small number, don't use this method. You have to use the tables only. Okay, thank you.